Ka overseas nursing job fair balapan long house nem baladam kala long umau jam bat kakabu nakabanta ki arpun nyongot kinas na kanika jala Meghalaya kiban pen kre nakabanta panin ajing shakri sa Japan hadian bakila pendap ya kajing hikai pentebet ya kaktian Japanese lingba kanika sap kabathamai kini kinaskin salit bantre ban kata hai ki hospital bat kiwei pat ki jaka sumar ha Japan Shibanta jong ka skills Meghalaya scheme na kalyang kasorkar Meghalaya kalabay tingka hadu sanpo hajar tingka ya iway na kikertong lingba ka Meghalaya State Skill Development Society MSSDS bat kani ka jingkershan katmu na kabenta kumbalay spa ngot kinos ha kini kisnam ki bandang wan na kalyang umintri rangba ka jela ukon rat ki sangma balay kendu ya kinohikay bat kisamla puli kibayadan benta ha kani ka kampen tebin ulapan pau ka jing sngo sarong da kabaong kalong ka basngo kumen shibun ban yoi bakinos na kanika jela ken yo ya kalat ban net ban ajing shakri shakiway pat kiri ka perthai ni lapha ya ki haringkat ka jingker khu kordo pat kermen ru ban yo sngo ya ki khana ki basngo tanat shapang jongki nakar pat ru ya ki way pat ki samla bakin wan shakmat bat ban shim ya kanika kabu amtang ban yo kamay na shabar jongkari henry ru ban penyar ya ki jing nang jingtip haki jing tre jing kta ka skills Meghalaya ka bashim ya kini kilat a jing hikai kadai ka batmu ban pengkok bor ya ki samla lingba ki sap ki thong ki badan kam ka program balapan long da ka MSSDS bat ka Department of Health and Family Welfare ha ka jinga tre lang bat ki company bapher kalapan yo ya ki jing hikai banang ban keren ya kien ka thliet jeng ki way pat kiri kalor kalat ha ka liang ka yo kam yo jam sabar jong kari baro kiladan hadu arpun nyongot nas kibla register bat ke NAVIS nakabenta ban yo jinghikai panang ya kaktien ka thliet bat ka call shore ha Bengaluru hadu arpusan ngot naki kilapas ya ka info bat N5 exam kasien persyang ka baningkong bat yo pedang ya ka jing terwa ha ka kam ka jam san ngot kinos kiladap yo ya ki visa bat arngot kilalet sa Japan ha ka arpun yo tarik jemang baladam kat ba ki way pat kidang up ya ka visa Hadu khat sangot kinos kiladap banyok kam ha ki jaka sumar bapher ha Singapore kumjut ling ba ki way pat ki agency kini kin salet ban penya so sha ki kam ki jam jongki hapo ka live nai ya ka jing a jing hikai lapan long da ki ship ho ngot ki no hikai ki badai na Japan hapo ka NAVIS ka bapun pau ru halor ka jing sei so jong ka ni ka program what happening ki jing e halor bandang ya ka tien ka bathamai kini ki samla puli kila treshitom kum kalat ban penyo jing mentoy kani kasien jam kalawan long ru hadien bakasor ka jela kalaya soy ya ka MOU bat kini ki company ha ka nyo tarik uno pra arajar arpulai na ka benta ban ajing hikai ha ka liang ka ktien bat ka jing plilat ha ka jing penrong kam ya ki samla ka jela shakaling kiri ka perthai ka bakun thop kum sa Japan UK Singapore bat UAE ka Laikerman Cardo Sao ka Banakli Umtro Ribhoy District Meghalaya kalaya thu ya ka jingyal lenti jong ka sa Japan ha ka baningkong kalong ka ba e hanre da ka jingalam lenti ublay ulapan jam ya ki jing e bat da ka jingkashan ki bahiyeng hasam bat ki paralong ka jingyal lenti kalong ka basngaw tanan
Last year in the month of May there was a job fair that we had conducted in Shillong where our objective was to tie up with different stakeholders and different HR companies to place our nurses in different parts of the world, including in Japan, Singapore, Australia, likewise in different parts of the world. And when this job fair took place, more than 1,300 nurses had attended this job fair, and the government had committed to funding the particular training that was required for these nurses to work in different parts of the world. Today, I'm happy to inform all of you that after 1 year, the efforts that we had started have started to bear fruits, and today we have 27 of our nurses who have got placements in Japan, and 18 of them have got placements in Singapore. And the training program is going on very well, and we expect that in the coming months and the coming years, in fact, many more of our skilled manpower will be given the opportunity to work in different parts of the world. I'm here today in Japan, in Tokyo, and I will be visiting our nurses. The first batch of 2 of the nurses out of the 27 have already received their visas and other documentation, and they have already joined their place of work, and we'll be visiting them in the next couple of days to see how they are doing, how the experience has been, and also to give them the assurance and to their families that the government of Meghalaya is very much with them to support them in every way possible. Government of India is there to support them, and also to give a sense of confidence to other nurses who wish to work in other parts of the world and get these job employment opportunities, that the way the government of Meghalaya is working, the process is very professional, and the placement is also done in a very professional manner. And we would encourage all the other nurses also, those who wish to work in different parts of the world, that it is a good opportunity, it's a safe opportunity, and the government of Meghalaya along with government of India is there to support you in your endeavor to find placements in different parts of the world. Thank you very much.
Play fibara kerteng jangan ada yai kerman kadosau ada nasional kli umtro Ribhoi district Meghalaya kajinya lenti jangan nadu nasional hadu bangan poi Japan kalong kalenti ke bakalan oi wala sibun kijing henry ublay uladon rekat banga ki bahaya ngasam ki ladon rekat banga ki parlok parajon ki baju I mesim barabar ki baju long ki hakti kamal ki kadiam ki la penyaj ba kalenti ba kalong kalenti kaba sutanat hadu banga poi kobe.
Hello everyone, my name is Jenny Shalingdo. I am from Meghalaya, Nongpo, Ribhoi district. I have came to know about Navis from with the help of government, the job fair which was held on 2023 August. From there I get to know about Navis. Then I came to Bangalore. I studied Japanese language in Navis Human Resource Private Limited in Bangalore. Of course, at first it was very difficult to study a new language, but with the help of the tutors, day by day we were able to learn and understand and write in Japanese. I would like to thank first God for keeping me safe all this time, my parents, my relatives, and our chief ministers, Conrad K. Sangma, and our government and the Meghalaya State Skill Development Society for giving us this opportunity where we can work abroad, where we not only just enhancing our skill, but we are exchanging cultures. Thank you so much for this opportunity, because this kind of opportunity I could only be dream of, but today is coming true. So I would like to many of our friends who are there in Meghalaya who are still afraid to come outside to explore their dreams, achieve their dreams. Please do take this opportunity, because the government is there to support you, and please do come, enhance your skills, enjoy, and let us exchange culture between countries. Thank you. I would like to thank our Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma for giving us this opportunity where we can walk abroad. Thank you so much, sir. Coming abroad was just only a dream for many of us, but through your help and support, we are able to come here to gain new experience. Through this experience that I received here in Japan, I would like to go and share it to our states and country. Thank you so much, sir, once again for your support, and being the representative of our state, we'll try to give our best and will never let you down. Thank you.